Now let's talk about the SWOT analysis for the business plan for the grout business after the 2-year mark in its current maturity. And most of these still are correct, with one major thing that I want to bring to your attention, and that's that there are so many strategies now that a division of focus is a problem. It's a threat. What I mean by division of focus is like there's online, there's offline, there's 5 different product lines. There's the inventory management that's an issue now. There's a lot more to manage, and it's not about how many things you're doing. It's about how many things you're doing really, really, really well. I'll give you an example. You know that it's the #1 grout cleaning product on Amazon, fine. But if this company had like 100 products that were all mediocre, they would still be selling way less than just that one successful product. So it's not the numbers of strategies that you're pursuing, it's the quality of the execution. How many are you executing really well? And this might be a problem because there is a bigger staff now, but it's not big enough to handle everything. That lack of focus might be an issue, and time will tell if it's going to be a problem. So we don't know that, but it is a threat, and that's what I wanted to note. Another very quick thing is the revenue streams. They're similar to what we've seen before. Same pricing, just more products. So we'll skip over that. It's not that exciting. What's a little new and interesting is the lifetime customer value. Now that this company has been selling products, now some data is known. We know, for example, that the average order size is $24.75. This obviously fluctuates a little more, a little less with different experimentation, even shopping season versus not. But overall, this is the average. And there's a reorder rate. Oh, we know 12% of the people reorder. That's the revenue. So obviously we know what the profit is from that. And now that we know what the profit is from that, we know exactly how much we can spend, let's say in ads or something like that, while keeping the ads profitable. So now we have this extra data that we didn't have before. And in the next video, we're going to talk about the cash flow statement, because there's now a lot of expenses and there's a lot of stuff happening. So we're going to talk about that in the next video.